Hello, my name is Anthony Miranda from Kids First, and I just finished watching an amazing movie called Snow White and the Huntsman. This movie was great. I loved it. I loved it with all of the action, but there was a little bit of romance. But this movie was great. I would probably give it about 5 out of 5 stars because of how much action is in the movie. So, really, some of the main characters are Snow White, the Seven Dwarfs, the Huntsman, and the Evil Queen. Now, my favorite character, I had 2. The Huntsman and Snow White. I like Snow White because at first, she just wants to be free, but she can't. So she is really scared of the new queen and travels far away from the castle. And why I like the Huntsman is because he helps her find a way without getting captured again. Now, my favorite part is when Snow White and the Huntsman go to a village and they are shooting, and the people who are trying to trap Snow White again shoot fiery arrows at wooden forts for all the people, and that's probably my favorite part because of all the action in it. Now, I would recommend this movie for ages 10 and up because I'm 10 and I like this movie, and young children might not like it because there's violence and there are scary parts. So go out and see this movie in theaters on June 1st. Oh, it looks like we're done. Bye.